So good morning and good evening guys, and today's video I'm going to show you how to create a site, also a Sharepoint list that we are going to do, and it can be used to create a database in Power Apps. So now let's click create site. Then loading. Now we have the team site. The shared documents have conversation with your team. Also the communication site, publish dynamic and beautiful content to people in your organization to get informed and engaged on topics, events, or projects. Now we will write the site name. So let's say team site. Okay, but seems that it already has a name exist. It replace it with Ralph site. Okay, now let's click next. You can use, since we are doing for the video, we are going to write our own email address. So RalphAsherz. There. Click finish. And booyah! There is already your own site, Ralph site. So the next thing that we're going to do is to create our own subsite for us to view how to create your own. Select new and subtitle. Let's name it with Ralph List. Tell team no site. Yes. You can leave. Let's write our own. It's our own name, Ralph. Then click create. Now let's wait for the moment until we finish loading. Now you already have your own subsite named Ralph List. So click site contents to view your files. Now we need to create our own list. So new app. And let us click the custom list. And let's rename it Ralph List. There. And create. Now there, you already have your Sharepoint list, but the data is still on 0. So you need to create the name file list. As you can see, there is no data inside of it. We have title and add column. So we're now creating our own data by adding column and renaming the title. So let's rename it title with employees ID. There. now we have our primary key employee ID. So let's add column single line text for full name. So let's say full name, then save. The next one we're going to do is to add a choices so we can see what kind of status does the data have. So there is choice 1, choice 2, and choice 3. You can rename it. So let's type Lipan advertisement, and the next one is email, and the third one is commercial. So let's name it as status. As you can see now, we're going to add another column by date. It's when the employee started to enter the data. It will record also the startup date of the data. So let's rename it as startup date. The next one is multiple lines. We will show how the employee recalls the application. So let's rename it as comments, or rather say description. So there we have already our own SharePoint list. So we have employee ID, full name, status, startup date, and description. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching this video. Click like and subscribe button, and comment down below if you have any questions. Ciao.